Heidi Klum's beauty routine revealed, 5 simple wellness secrets from the supermodel. Heidi Klum dives into the pool while enjoying a smoothie in her bikini. In a delightful display of summer fun, model and host of Project Runway, Heidi Klum, recently posted a vibrant photo on her Instagram account. Currently, she is at the helm of the revamped Project Runway series airing on Freeform, and her social media is filled with stunning bikini shots. In her latest post, Heidi is seen lounging in a pool, sipping on a refreshing smoothie while sporting a lovely lavender bikini that accentuates her figure. She simply captioned the image with the word, "Yummy." But how does Heidi maintain her enviable model looks? Here are 5 of her well-kept secrets, along with images that showcase their effectiveness. One of the key components of Heidi's skincare and wellness routine is regular massages. "I aim to get a massage about once a week or every 2 weeks," she shared in an interview with Birdie. "It's not just about pampering myself or enjoying the feeling of being moisturized all over. The massages are deep tissue, which helps to stimulate the movement of cells beneath the skin, activating everything in the process." To maintain a nutritious diet, Heidi incorporates supplements into her routine. "I often manage to prepare healthy meals, like soaking chia seeds overnight, but I understand that not everyone has the luxury of time, especially as we age," she explained to Who What Wear. "I believe that taking a supplement is a fantastic addition to my already healthy diet. A few years back, I started taking one Perfecto daily as I was getting older and thought, what do I have to lose? Of course, no pill can replace a balanced diet, but I find it to be a helpful boost." Heidi also revealed some of her go-to beauty products during her chat with Who What Wear. "I absolutely adore using plain coconut oil, which is readily available at supermarkets. Given the dry climate in Los Angeles, where I spend a lot of time outdoors, I love to slather coconut oil on my hair and body. It's incredibly affordable and leaves my skin feeling nourished and fabulous." When discussing her culinary preferences, Heidi shared some of her favorite healthy recipes with Birdie. "Eating healthily is crucial. Sometimes, people claim, I eat well, I have salads all the time. But when I dig deeper, I often find they're eating something like a Caesar salad made with romaine, which is quite light and lacks substance. It might be time to rethink your salad choices. The darker the greens, the better. Incorporating red leaves or a variety of herbs and garlic can elevate your salads. Right now, I'm really into making my own bone broth. It's incredibly simple, and I genuinely believe it's beneficial for health." Regarding her fitness philosophy, Heidi advocates for gentle workouts. "I think this approach is why I don't suffer from many back or knee issues," she mentioned to Birdie. "I don't run excessively because I prefer not to overstrain my body. While I believe running is good for getting your heart rate up, it's essential to listen to your body and do what feels right for you. That, in my opinion, is the most important aspect of fitness." Anna Rose. Anna Rose, also known as Anna Bechtel, is a writer currently residing in Hamden, Connecticut. She recently graduated from Drew University, where she majored in English and minored in media studies.